What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here. We got a 20-degree chilly morning, but before we get into the video, got a great video for you guys on Silverback. I pulled her out right there. I'm gonna let you guys see it in the sun. But we only have 9 days left on our Vikla Road King giveaway. Look at her. Beautiful, beautiful. It's just, colors are popping in the sun. Amazing, amazing, beautiful bike. You only have 9 days left, so head on over to www.cycle-fanatix.com. Get yourself entered to win January 13th at 11:59. That's it. Entries are closed, and January 15th we will be notifying the winner of this beautiful Road King. So head on over to the website, get yourself entered. 9 days left, guys. Let's go. I cannot wait to announce the winner, and I can't wait to obviously get rid of it because I need the room. I got Silverback right here. We got some sun popping through. I wanted to give you guys another little view. I'm using a brand new camera here for my home vlogging, Canon 90D. Hopefully the images are coming out really clear for you guys. I'm trying to get the best possible footage for you guys. We're going to be recording in 4K from now on for the home videos as well as the ride videos. We've been recording in 5K on the Insta360 cameras. She is looking really good. Thank you for your comments, guys. Really do appreciate it. Seems like everyone has loved the build and loved the paint job, so I really appreciate you guys commenting. If any of you guys were wondering, these are little Harley Davidson logos that Chad did from Hampton's Designs on the tank and on the fairing. Hopefully you guys could see that. But anyway, guys, today's video we're going to be installing some CIRO3D lighting, which I've already done. I've recorded this video a couple days ago, but we're going to show you guys what we installed on the front of Silverback. And stay tuned for the video. We're going to be installing some CIRO3D lighting, and then in a couple days I have another video coming out for you guys that we're going to be installing all of the CIRO3D lighting on the back. We're also going to be doing a video on the Arlen Ness 14-inch front brake rotor kit. I want to talk to you a little bit about it, guys, and we actually have to do something that we didn't do before, but I'll show you guys that in a future video. This Friday, January 7th, Saturday the 8th, and Sunday the 9th, in Atlantic City, New Jersey at the Showboat Casino, they are holding the Atlantic City Motorcycle Show there. They're going to have bike contests, audio contests. A lot of vendors are going to be there. A lot of awesome stuff is happening this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm actually going to be there Friday at the Showboat, probably from about 9 a.m. to about 3 p.m. If you guys are around the area, want to come check out an awesome motorcycle show, come by and say hi. I will be at my sponsor set up over there, Bikers Have Rights. If you guys are ever in the need of a motorcycle injury attorney, get a speeding ticket, anything regarding a motorcycle, Brad is your guy. Give them a call, bikershaverights.com. I will be there. I'm also going to be checking out the scenes over there, so come on by and say hi. This Friday, January 7th, at the Showboat, Atlantic City, from about 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. See you there. Videos for you guys. We'll do another playlist, CIRO3D playlist here on Silverback. We're going to be installing all of the rest of the lighting components for Road Glide onto Silverback from CIRO3D Check them out, www.CIRO3D.com. I got my package right there, and it's all the rest of the lighting. So let me show you guys what we have so far on Silverback. So right now, all we have is the Fang bezel lights right now, beautiful on both sides. Let me turn it on so I can show you guys how it looks. Really, really nice, really bright on both sides. And now we're going to be installing the vent lighting up in here, as well as the road blades. As you can see, they go around right here in this. Let me shut it off because it's so bright. They basically go around the fairing right there. See, they flash yellow. Turn it on so I can show you guys. So they're white now. And then when you turn the turn signal on, they go on with the side turn signal. So we're gonna put the road blade on. We're gonna do the vent lighting up in here. I'm not gonna show you guys how to take off the entire fairing because I did that in a previous video. We're gonna have to take off the 4 screws that take off the windshield, the trim. Then obviously there's 2 bolts by the turn signals. There's some bolts underneath the speaker covers right there that you're gonna have to take off. And then basically that whole fairing, I think there's only like 6 or 8. The whole fairing's gonna come off. We're gonna put it on a side. We're gonna install the rest of the lighting on the front, and that'll be one video. And then let's check out what we have here, what CIRO3D sent me. This is gonna be really cool because we are going to light up nice Silverback. Look at all these goodies. So what we have is the Machete extended bag LED lights. These lights, they go under here, right there on the bag. And then we have the bag blades. They go under here on both sides of the bag. Then we have saddlebag hinge cover lights, and that's gonna go right there. Then we have, like I showed you guys, the vent trim lighting. So this, we're gonna take up to front, and that's gonna go in there. And then we have the filler panel lights, which are gonna go right in here on both sides. So that is gonna be really nice. Bike is gonna be lit up. Definitely the more lighting on the back. Oh, we do have also the rear tail light by CIRO3D. Beautiful design, love it, super sleek. It just contours the back of the fender beautifully. LED, super, super bright, love it. I think it just looks awesome with their curved license plate bracket as well. It looks really, really good. It just hugs the fender beautifully. Silverback is looking beast. It is unbelievable. It really came out absolutely awesome. Also, gonna be installing some new floorboards, so stay tuned for that. Floorboards, brake pedal, and shifter. But we're gonna be getting some new stuff installed on there so it looks proper. But she is looking really, really good. So that's how the front looks right now. That is so bright. Also in another video, my riding boys got me some Hogworks saddlebag liners that we're gonna put in black with silver stitching, amazing. Silverback's gonna be really hooked up, so definitely stay tuned for these videos. If you're new to this channel, do me a favor, guys, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. I would appreciate it. And let me go ahead and take the fairing off now. All right, guys, I got the fairing off. It's right there, laying down. So now we're gonna be installing the lights on the fairing and then plugging it all in. When you get all your lighting from CIRO3D, let me tell you guys some of the best instructions in the business. Colored photos, very detailed on this very nice gloss paper. So super easy, just do it step by step. I'm gonna go ahead and start mounting up the lights, show you guys how it looks. All right guys, so these lights are easy to install. I got a center point here. This is where headlight is, the top, get a center point, and that's where you start. You have your leads right there, and you just slowly work your way around, taking the backing off and sticking it on very well. And also what you want to make sure is there is a left and a right. The best way I realized to check, just plug it in on the left side of the bike, turn the turn signal on, because this entire portion is white. But when you turn the turn signal on, this half down here will be blinking yellow when you have the turn signal on. So you're gonna wanna make sure that they're on the correct side before you remove the backing paper and start sticking this stuff on. This fairing is ready to go back on Silverback. We're gonna put her back on, plug all the components in right there. You also have to take the CIRO3D harness that they give with the kit right there and plug that in to the one that's on the bike. And then there's 2 leads off the harness where the turn signals and the new lighting system will be plugged into. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the fairing back on this now. And I just put 2 bolts on it right now. These by the turn signals, it holds the fairing in place. So this is the harness that comes with the CIRO lighting. Let me just move this over. These 2 connectors right here are the ones that are coming from the fairing, and then the end plugs into the one that's in the bike. So let me just show you guys how this all looks. Look at that. Look at that. All right. I'm gonna shut the tunes low. So let me put the turn signal on now. Look at that. So we got the turn signal there. We have the lighting on the side here, and we have the Fang bezel light all in yellow. And then when the turn signal isn't on, everything is bright white. I'm gonna go ahead and do the right side, and then we're going to install the center vent light and then put everything back together, and I'll show you guys how it looks. But I love it. Looks absolutely amazing, and it's super, super bright, which is very important. And all of the CIRO3D products, they're fantastic. I'll tell you why, because it's all plug and play. Everything is perfect. The harnesses, all the connections, everything's plug and play, super easy to install. If you can't get to a rally and have CIRO themselves install it for you guys could do this at home. This is so easy. It's not difficult. The fairing comes off with only, like I said, 6, 7 bolts. Comes right off. All this stuff is plug and play. There's no cutting into wires, nothing, 0. Super, super simple. Got colored instructions right there. Everything you need. All done. Everything is back together. So we installed the road blades. I have the Fang bezel lights on there. These are the Fang bezel lights. Inside here are the road blades, and we installed the vent light right there. Looks so nice. Honest to God, so nice. So let me show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna turn on the lights. All these CIRO3D products installed on the front. It looks absolutely amazing, really good. We're gonna install everything on the back. After Christmas, you guys, obviously Christmas has already passed, but today is Christmas Eve for me as I'm recording this. But we're gonna be installing everything on the back. She's gonna look really, really good. I got the Hogworks bag liners, which I'll be putting in as well at the same time. I think I'm gonna be doing the lights. I got some new floorboards coming in, shifter peg and brake pedal. So I'll show you guys all that. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.